For centuries, our tools have been external, the hammer, the smartphone. But the next stage of human evolution isn't external, it's internal. We are entering the age of AI extension, where technology merges with our biology. Are we already becoming augmented humans? This is the future of human-AI fusion. The most immediate impact is through AI-powered prosthetics. These bionic limbs use myoelectric sensors to read electrical signals from remaining muscles. AI instantly decodes these signals, predicting the user's intended movement. The AI learns the user's habits, adapting over time to feel like a natural part of the body. This is a life-changing medical breakthrough that already exists today. Next, brain-computer interfaces create a direct communication link between the brain and external devices. While these systems currently focus on medical necessity, allowing paralyzed patients to type or control robots with pure thought, the technology opens the door to augmenting the cognitive function of the general population. This integration raises profound ethical questions. BCIs collect highly sensitive, raw brain data. If this data is stored in the cloud, who owns it? The risk of hacking your thoughts or intentions is real. Furthermore, many experts worry about the erosion of autonomy and the potential for a new societal divide between those who can afford augmentation and those who cannot. The AI extension isn't a sci-fi fantasy. It's an inevitable trajectory of human development. From BCI restoring movement to AI enhancing our senses, we are choosing to merge with technology to become something greater. This is AI Simplified. Like, share, and subscribe to secure your place in the augmented future.